Hi guys, this is 2017 Toyota Prado, the 150 series. So I'm doing today going to replace for the fuel filter. So this is the 1GD engine. So we have to remove this filter first, undo it in here, and the fuel lines to take it out this filter. You can see the two 12 mil nuts. Then off these two, then have to take it out. So this is the one is you can see the arrow mark in here, like this one. This line is going to the directly for the injector pump. This line is the we bleeding the air on the fuel filter. And so this is the new fuel filter. You can see the part number in here. This is the genuine Toyota. For this part we're going to replace it. So first we have this 8 mil bolt. Okay, first we have to remove this retainer. So then I put the vise again, turn the thing. So then we remove this retainer. we have to put the new o-ring. Okay, this is the new filter. You can put the retainer back in, then turn. Okay, tight first, the hand tight. Don't too much force because it one can break the plastic thingy. Okay, okay, that's it. Okay guys, we put the new fuel filler in it, so we're going to put it back in. So I put first this wire connector. Okay, then after we have to bleed the air in the fuel system. We have to pump this one. Okay, all good. So then I have to put the okay guys, finally we done the job. We build the system. Now we have to start the car. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.